Hi there, and welcome to Monsterrific Ducatista. This is episode 8, and today I'm in Karlskoga, which is a small town in the middle of Sweden, where the old legendary racetrack Gelleråsen is situated. I've been invited here by the KTM Club, who has their yearly track day, and it's going to be a blast to ride together with them. Since I'm a real rookie on the racetrack, my goal is not to be the fastest around the track. I just want to get a feel of the new bike, my beautiful Ducati Monster 1200R, and get some smooth and fun riding experience without any crashes or anything like that. So welcome to join me for some coverage of this exciting day, and I'm so excited. Let's go! that was a bit. That was super fun and a bit scary and a bit frightening. Holy moly! First day on the track. This was extremely fun, but I'm taking it easy and I'm really humble. This is the first time I'm going on the track, and it's easy to make any kind of mistake at this moment, and I don't want to slide off the track the first day with my new bike, so bear with me. It's gonna take a long time before I can master this, but it's super fun. I can highly recommend it. Well, that was fun. It's a bit faster, but I'm still probably the slowest on the track. But I'm fine with that, as long as I come home with the whole bike. So, super fun, super hard, but it gets a little bit better by the lap. So now a short break and then on it again. This was a little bit better than last round, so it gets a little bit better by the lap. It's super hard to find the line and the speed and the right gear through every corner, but yeah, I'm not here to be the fastest guy on the track. I just want to have fun and try it out. But it's a lot of good riders here and it's super fun. This is something I really highly recommend for everyone to try at least one time, because this is amazing, and I couldn't have more luck with the weather than we have. It's like clear blue sky and perfect heat. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, so I would say that this is like optimal. Super fun. Now a short break and then on it again. Yes.
Check for monsters by the door, and it makes you feel stuck inside a wheel. It slowly holds you in where you've never been. And I really feel stuck in the middle here. You can break my bones with your sticks and stones, but it's all too clear that the end is near. 'Cause I really feel stuck in the middle here. I can take no more. I will leave this shore to get back on track, and I won't come back. No, 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 no. I am here but won't take more. I'm at the end, you're at the start, and it makes you feel stuck inside a wheel. It slowly holds you in where you've never been.
All right. Phew. Now did the last session, and yeah, I don't know. Didn't improve my lap times, and I didn't intend to either. So, but I don't know. I think I got a bit scared last time in one of the curves, and actually now I felt some kind of shaking in the back wheel. Probably that was just bumps in the road, but so I took it easy the last bit, and I got to ride a little bit with Patrick. He showed me some lines and some turning points into the curves, and those little details make all the difference. So I would like to do more sessions with him in the future to really learn how to do this thing, because it's not easy, but it's super fun. You should have respect for the speed, you should have respect for the curves, because if you do a mistake, that will hurt you or it will destroy your bike. But super fun. This is like a really cool thing to do, a nice sport. I can understand that people think it's addictive, and I will definitely come back. So I'm planning on doing some kind of course. There is a program of 4 steps, and then after that you can take your license, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get there, maybe not. I'll just take it one step at a time, and I'm super happy about this first day, and yeah, it was a great time. So do that, try this, and be safe. Okay, ciao.